Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. It is my HTML class or series, and I hope you enjoy this classes and series. And in this class, I will tell you head and body tag. What is head and body tag? I will cover in the fourth part. It is my fifth part of HTML class. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Please share your name from your neighbors, your friends, your family. And I show the Programming with Ryan will start the HTML classes, and here it is done in the fifth. It is my fifth classes. He will done it, and you enjoy. Please like, okay, and subscribe it. So you can subscribe and all the notification bell you can, and about my all new videos, okay. So I will not take a long time, so let's start. First of all, I will open my text editor, Sublime text editor. You have atom and bracket. You can open it and work on it, but please download the Sublime text editor because it's a beginner's level. And not use a Visual Code Studio, but someone is using a Visual Code Studio, please not use a Visual Code Studio because it is an advanced level text editor. Okay, so first of all, I will open my Sublime text. Sublime text. I will open it, and here I will go down and close it, and I will open it. So first of all, you can make a file. First of all, you can go to here and new file. Click new file. His shortcut key is Control N. New file. So here you can see it. A new file will begin, but here is not coming anything because I will not save it, because I will not save with the name. Save as. I will save on desktop. You can save any drive of your and downloads. Okay. So first of all, here we can write like index dot HTML. Okay, then save. Then here you can see it. Here the index.html file is come. So I will side by side it because you are a beginner level, and so I will side by side. I will show you how to build that, how to learn what is body tag. So first of all, here you can write HTML. Sorry, not HTML. Here we can write HTML and that. And now, first of all, here you can write head and then enter. And here you can write like head means header. Here we can write H1. Here we can write like this is crazy dog. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. Here the crazy dog is come. And what is body tag? Here you can write body, enter. Here you can write H1, and here we can write this is crazy dog. Then you can go here, and there we can write but I like this. Then save, then refresh. So here you can see it. This crazy dog is coming. Here you can see it. And here you can write like H2 and many difference. I will tell you a difference. On header, you can write H1 tag and you can write anything, and you can using HTML you can style those CSS. You can style this thing of header, but it is not styled because on body you can write anything will style it with on using CSS. Okay, then here you can see it. We can style it of. I will tell you another time. In header you cannot style anything using CSS, and in body tag you can write anything. You can style it using CSS. Okay. And now, here I will write that, and that you can copy it then paste, then paste, then paste, then paste, then paste, then paste, 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 paste. Then save, then refresh. Here you can see it. There is some come many times. Here you can see it. There is crazy dog. And in header tag you can save, then refresh. Here you can see it. In header tag, I will tell you where you can go. Save, refresh. In header tag, there's only one thing come of header. I will erase that. Only headers come. Then save, nothing. I will paste that thing, then save, then refresh, nothing showing. So I will erase that. Save, refresh, so nothing showing. Here you can and see. Here I will copy it then go, then paste, then save, nothing is showing. Here you can see it. It is a very big difference. Okay, and here I will go, then erase it, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it, and here is come many times the cross, and I will tell you another time. In header tag, nothing, anything, not styling. Style it is using CSS, and in body tag you can write anything. It is styled with CSS, and I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy. Like my video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.